priorities Harrison Ford in Peterborough. There's a Ford show going on, so we've all decided to come down and have a look, see what's going on. So we're going to show you some cars. What do you think, Felix? Is it noisy? Yeah. Nice. We'll have a look at the cars though and see what we can find. Ford Mustang. It's very nice. Lovely blue. Inside the showroom. Yeah, pretty good condition in there. There's not many. I mean, they probably would have rebuilt it. Look at that. Beast. It's the rally one, isn't it? Ford RS 200. Wow. Wow, look at that. Rear engine. Something special, isn't it? This is probably a really fast one, don't you think, P? Yeah, a rally car this is. Oh yeah. That's cool, that one is, isn't it? He likes a bit of his ice cream. They've got the Cosworth engine that's been put into. I know. Original Escort. I mean, it's like immaculate, isn't it? It's like, how many miles has it got? Still got 38,000 miles on it, but pretty impressive. There's another one over there, one of yours, one of your oldies. RS 2000. Original RS service book. Yeah, without modified and all that, yeah.
I mean, all resprayed and everything.
But yeah, all original chrome work and...
Yeah. They only come out in shows.
Oh, this will probably go back undercover again to the next one, yeah. Probably even came on a trailer.
Yeah, it's just hobby.
Yeah, a lot of money gone into it though. It would be worth an absolute bucket. Probably 20, 30k. Whoa, was that you? Did you make that noise? No. Did you do a pop pop? Brum, brum, pop pop. No.
Car noise.
Car noise? Let's go see if we can find the car made the noise. This is what I was looking at. Even these are going for like... Maybe the ones inside.
Yeah, because they normally keep.
Yeah. It's probably a Ford museum somewhere that's probably got a lot of bits and bobs in it. I was looking, even like crappy ones of these are like £4 now. Like these crappy ones. Let's not get too close, mister. Looking at your reflection. How's your rocket lolly? Drippy. Let's go. Let's get outside. He's found his baby.
Be worth a few quid there, my old 433.
Who, your grandpa?
My mum's old car. And he sell it.
Did he?
To you.
You did. He shared it. You had some of mine.
No, his grandpa's his make-believe friend. Yeah, I do. Still doing a little bit. Yeah, got a job to do. No, I don't. I don't sell it. That's yeah. It's a sticker. Comfy. Come on, away from the car. I don't know who won. Somebody. Go and have a look. Yeah, I found a green one. It's a truck. It's like a 1955 of American stuff. Oh, Ford Escort. Here, mate. Granddad's found something. The original 250 Ranger, eh? It's like an old Mark 1 Escort or something. Another ST RS 67 mil Escort. That's nice, that, isn't it? Look at that. That is beautifully done, that one. There's the full resto, pictures of it. Full resto. What is this, Dad? Do you know?
Sorry?
What is it? An old Mark 1 Escort or something? It's Cortina. It's a Cortina twin cam. There we go, look at this one. Look at this cool one here. It's a lovely little one, this one, isn't it? Got a tea bucket. Very nice.
Boys, you got some money to be a fanatic.
Ford Anglia, here we go.
So we went up to Scotland in a Ford Anglia.
Ford Anglia, a bit of history.
From 1966 we went for the World Cup, isn't it?
1961, this one.
This was, yeah, so was it 48, 58, 48, 58.
You're going backwards.
13, yeah, 58.
Rah.
13 years.
Let's get down.
13. Yeah, the later one in that.
We've got some newer ones over the back. What do you think? It's a nice old one, isn't it? Can you show me which one you think you like the most?
I like that one.
You like this one, do you?
I like that one most.
You like that one the most? Ford Focus Mark 1. Can you see yourself, can you? It's a shiny one. It's got Ford 16 valve Z-Tech in it. It's probably going to be quite fast, that one, isn't it? We're in the passenger seat. I'm going to go look in the other window. There's a big tiger there. Is he real? Go stroke him then. Oh!
That's a Ford Granada.
Well, oh yeah. 2.1i.
to have a Zephyr and a Zodiac. Many years ago, when I was a bit older.
There's an orange one there. It's a nice one, that is, isn't it? 4 Cortina.
It was built in 82.
Double overhead counter. There's Cosy engine in it.
Yeah.
What you found? Look at that one. You like all of them? This is a nice one. This one is, isn't it? It's so small. I never realised it was so small. Really small, isn't it? It's a shame about the sticker. Vinyling. Whizzy wheel. Little Ford Fiesta. What a beaut. What a beautiful little car. Cooling level a bit low. Pardon? Well, this a car show's on the outside. Beautiful little car, isn't it? It's a popular deluxe. Pardon? It's an outside one, yeah, because everyone parks the cars up outside and then we can wander around them in the sunshine. No. It's not in the inside. We'll have a look, see what we can find. What is this? Like a Fiesta. It's like a Fiesta convertible. I didn't even know that they made a Fiesta convertible. Fiesta convertible. Madness. See one.
Hi guys, it's Cortina Swifter. My name's Gary. I run a YouTube channel called Car Focused. Basically, the guys at TC Harrison kind of helped me kickstart the channel. Lent me a few cars, I did some reviews, and then I just do some other sort of modified car stuff. That's my Mark II RS in there, the frozen white one. So yeah, they invited me along today. So I'm no celebrity. I've got like 12,000 subscribers, but I do love a nice Ford anyway. So we've got 3 cars in this class. We've got best standard, best modified, and best in show. 3 of us have had a look around and we've chosen the ones that stood out for
Maybe
us.
when the music comes back.
So, best standard, did you want to announce this one? Because this was one that you liked, so I'll hand the mic over to Mark and then we'll get on with that.
So this is a tricky one, and what we've done is we've gone with one, when you say standard, I've also gone with one that's probably used every day, and it is absolutely original, and it's probably older than me, which takes some doing. So if we can just ask you to come forward, it's the owner of the Cortina Mark III GXL, Clive. Here he comes.
Yay, well done, Clive.
You might need somebody to help you with that, it's quite heavy that, so. Okay. No problem at all. Best modified next.
Right, best modified. I know there are a lot of kind of modified cars here that's mainly under the engine bay or subtle mods, but we were kind of looking for ones that were really noticeable on first glance. Now it was close between this one and the Focus ST, the Mark III ST that's out there. But for me, when I saw this one, it just looks really cool, really quirky. To cut a long story short, it is, I believe it's a guy called Stephen, and he's got the little XR2 pickup, the little red one with the Z-Tech engine
it's
in
cool.
the corner over there.
Thank you. Right, so I'm going to do this one and then run like absolute whatnot. So best in show. So what makes it best in show? Because obviously I've owned one in my lifetime, and I'm that old. And I had to explain to Gary what one was because he's apparently from a generation of Cosworths and everything else. But yes, sorry, the 90s. I remember that. So best in show. It took me a lot of work to get him down here today, and I think that there was 10% chance of rain he wasn't coming. That changed, and obviously I had to then guarantee him a place in the showroom. So without further ado, the Mark I 1100 in the blue in the showroom is best in show for me. Can we let forward Roger? Can anybody see Roger? We've got that classic. He's behind you, is it? No. He's probably sat. He's probably. Oh, Roger, come on out. Yeah, he's hiding. Roger, you missed that. Best in show. Mark 1, 1100. Okay. There you go. All right.